My name is Elyada. Welcome to HypnoCloud. Today, we're focusing on enhancing your ability to fully savor and extend the sensations of pleasure, your sexual climax, bringing you into a deeper connection with your body and mind. As you listen to my voice, you can choose to close your eyes or keep them open, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let's begin with a countdown to relaxation. Imagine the number 200 in your mind, large and clear. Now with each slow breath, see the number gently decrease. 200. Take a deep breath in and out. 199. Your body begins to relax. Your mind becomes quieter. Nothing to think about. 198. Feel yourself going deeper, like sinking into a warm, soft bed. Continue to see the numbers going down backwards and relax deeper and deeper with each number. Let them slowly begin to fade away. As the numbers fade away, so do any thoughts. No thoughts can possibly enter your mind now. Your entire focus is on my voice, and my voice only. You are calm, still, and completely receptive to this experience. Let's move deeper now. As you relax, you're opening your awareness to the full power and pleasure your body can experience during a sexual climax. Every sensation, every touch, every movement will become more vivid, more alive than ever before. I wonder if you are already thinking about it now. Imagining. Whenever the moment of climax begins to build, you will feel your mind slowing down, savoring every ripple of sensation. Becoming present, completely in the moment, letting the waves of pleasure flow through you like warm energy. You will remember these suggestions as they sink in deep into your unconscious mind. Your climax will extend, growing longer with each experience. It's as if time slows down, allowing you to savor every single detail. You will feel every pulse, every spark of pleasure, radiating through your body like never before. Each time you reach this state during sexual stimulation, you'll find yourself naturally pausing to appreciate the intensity. Your mind becoming more skilled at focusing, at staying with the sensations, stretching them out moment by moment. From this moment forward, you'll find it easier to be fully in the moment. Your focus sharpens, and every sensation becomes magnified, allowing you to prolong and deepen the experience each time. Say to yourself now, I am present, I am at ease. My body and mind savor every sensation fully. Repeat it silently in your mind or out loud if you wish. Feel this truth becoming part of you now. I am present, I am at ease. My body and mind savor every sensation fully. I am present, I am at ease. My body and mind savor every sensation fully. Now at your pace, you may return into being fully awake. Welcome back. And until next time, here on HypnoCloud,